In the last few videos, I have built fitness apps, e-commerce apps, and a lot other interesting projects using Google AI Studio. But today, I am not building another simple app. Today, I want to see if Google AI Studio can create something much more advanced, a complete AI-powered startup consultant. Because whenever someone wants to start a business, there are always big questions. Is it a good idea or not? Who are the competitors? How much budget is needed? How can I be marketed? And the most importantly, which is actually it will make money or not. So today I'm going to challenge Google AI Studio to build a complete platform that can answer all those questions and generate complete startup roadmap using AI. If you think this will be interesting, then subscribe to the channel and like this video. So now I'm inside all new Google AI Studio. And for this video, we are going to build something very different from the usual apps. We are going to create an AI-powered startup consultant called Startup Pilot AI. And the goal of this app is simple. A user enter their startup idea, budget, industry, location, team size and all, and the AI will analyze the entire business for them. It can generate a feasibility score, competitor analysis, SWOT SWOT analysis, marketing strategy, branding suggestion, revenue projection, profitability calculation, and even a complete business roadmap. So I have already prepared a detailed prompt describing all the features, pages, and AI workflows, financial tools, and startup planning system I want to inside the app. So I'm going to paste the prompt and let Google AI Studio start building. Now, one thing I really like about the new update, I already told you that AI Studio now first generate the multiple design themes and UI style before creating the app. This gives us some more control over the final design. I'm going to select this theme because it looks the more premium and professional. Now, Google AI Studio will use this design and start generating the complete Android application for us. So I will just keep the waiting part. And I think our application is finally ready now. Yes, you can see this. Google AI Studio didn't just create a simple AI chatbot. It actually generated a complete startup planning platform that looks like a real SaaS product. So let's take a quick tour of everything it created. When we first opened the app, we were welcomed with the beautiful onboarding experience that explain how the platform helps user validating the business ideas, generating startup strategies, and forecast potential revenue before investing real money. After onboarding, we arrived at a main launchpad page, which is the heart of the entire application, I think. This is where users can enter their startup name, describe that business idea, select their industry. You can see there are too many industries are listed. Choose their target market, define their available budget, and even specify their team size. The page is designed for a startup command center, making it easy to provide all the information needed for a proper business analysis. Once everything is filled, user can simply click on the Analyze Venture with AI button. The AI then studies the entire idea and begin the generating a complete startup blueprint. Don't worry, I will state it and I will show you everything later on. Once analysis is complete, the app generates a complete startup report including feasibility score and everything. Next, we have a financial simulation desk where user can adjust budget, pricing, and marketing cost to instantly see revenue projection, profits, and break-even timelines. There are also an enterprise blueprint section that outlines the backend, architecture, database structure, APIs, and technical roadmap needed to be built the startup. It's amazing. And finally, the portfolio wall lets users save, manage, and revisit all their startup ideas whenever they want. So this is not just AI app. It's like having a startup consultant, business strategies, and financial advisor all inside your phone. I think this app is very good. Now let's put Startup Pilot AI to a real test. For this example, I'm going to create a business consultant for small businesses. The idea is simple. Small business owners can use this platform to generate marketing plans, SEO strategies, sales funnel, content ideas, growth plans, and business recommendation using AI. So here on the launchpad, I will start by entering the startup name. Let's call it Smart Growth AI. Okay. Next, I will add the detailed business description explaining how the platform helps small businesses grow using AI-powered consulting and automation. For industry, I will select AI and software, AI SaaS. For the target market, I will choose small businesses and startup. Now I will set the initial startup budget, maybe minimum 10,000 USD, and select the solo founder as a team size. You can see this. Now everything is ready. So let's click on Analyze Venture with AI button. And there we go. The analysis is ready. You can see this. The first thing we can see is the Venture Hub. Right away, the app generated a feasibility score that shows how viable this business idea is based on the information we have provided. Below that, we have a complete SWOT analysis showing strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and potential threats for the business. It is amazing. Next, we have the business model canvas, which outlines the target customers, value proportions, revenue streams, key resource, and overall business structure. The app also generates a competitor analysis section where it identifies similar businesses, competitive advantages, pricing opportunities, and potential market gaps. Then we have marketing roadmap, where the AI creates a step-by-step growth strategy covering customer acquisition, content marketing, social media, SEO, and launch planning. There's also a branding section that suggests business positioning, brand direction, and all things. I think now let's move to the financial simulation desk here. This is one of the most powerful part of the app. Here I can adjust startup costs, marketing budgets, pricing plans, customer acquisition estimates, and conversion rates using that interactive controls. As I make changes, the app instantly recalculates projected revenue, monthly profit, annual revenue, customer acquisition cost, and even the estimated break-even timeline. This allows founders to test different business scenarios before spending any real money. Next, we have the enterprise blueprint section. This page provides a complete technical roadmap, including backend architecture, database structure, API requirement, cloud deployment planning, subscription workflows, and overall foundation needed to build a startup in the real world. And finally, we have the portfolio hole. This is where all analyzed startup ideas are stored, allowing users to see projects, revisit previous business concepts, compare opportunities, and continue working on them whenever they want. Honestly, this feels less like a mobile app and more like having a startup consultant, business strategist, and financial advisor and growth expert available inside your pocket. It's all in one. It's amazing. Now, obviously, a startup app like this needs a proper database and backend system to store ideas and all things. So I have simply asked the Google AI Studio how the backend and database will work. So according to Google AI Studio, you can see this. The app uses a local room database to store startup projects, business ideas, feasibility scores, SWOT reports, marketing plans, branding suggestion, financial data, and users' progress directly on the device. Whenever a user creates, edits, or deletes a startup project, the database updates automatically and instantly refresh the entire interface. For AI side, the app connects with Google's Gemini models through a secure API layer. When a user clicks Analyze Venture, the app sends the startup idea, industry budget, target market, and team details to the AI engine, which then generate business insight, competitor analysis, and startup validation report and growth strategy, whatever is needed and applicable for this particular startup idea. And the interesting part is that app also includes a intelligent fallback system. So if the internet connection fails or a AI service is unavailable, the app can still generate a setup recommendation using its built-in offline advisory engine. Once the analysis is complete, everything gets saved back into the local database and instantly appears throughout the application. So overall, Google AI Studio didn't just create a fun front-end screen. It also designed a complete back-end architecture, database workflows, AI integration, and data management system needed to power a real startup consulting platform. Now let's actually turn this application prototype into a Android application. So I will simply going to ask Google AI Studio to generate the APK file for this startup pilot AI. Now AI Studio will start preparing the Android build automatically, and since it's compiling the complete Android project, this process can take few minutes. And there we go. The APK has been generated successfully. Now, if you are wondering where the APK file is located, simply open the File Explorer inside Google AI Studio and then just search for APK. And you will find generated APK file right there. Now, I can simply right-click on APK file, download it to my computer. And the best part is that it don't need Android Studio and any other kind of setup. It is very simple. Once the APK is downloaded, I will transfer it into my Android mobile via WhatsApp or Google Drive, whatever you want to do. Then I will just open the APK file into my phone. I will click install, allow the required permission, and wait for a few seconds. Startup Pilot AI is now successfully installed on my Android device and ready to use. As you can see, everything is working really well. I can browse through all the section, open different pages, and test all the features inside the app. Here you can see everything clearly. Let's create another startup idea just to taste it. I will simply enter a random business concept, select industry, target market, budget, team size, and everything, and click the analyze venture. Within few moments, AI generates a complete startup report with business insight, marketing strategy, financial projection, you can see this, competitor analysis, and much more. Everything actually what I have seen earlier. All the pages are loading properly, the calculations are working, reports are being generated correctly, and overall experience feels like surprising smooth. It's hard to believe that just a short while ago, this entire application didn't even exist. It started as a simple prompt inside Google AI Studio. Now it's a fully functional Android app running on my phone. And really, this is what makes the Google AI Studio so powerful. You can use it to test startup ideas, design new products, build business tools, create client projects, launch your own applications, or simply learn app development faster than ever before. Whether you are freelancer, business owner, entrepreneur, student, or developer, tools like this are making it easier than ever to turn ideas into real applications. AI is moving incredibly fast, and this is probably just a beginning of what's possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with someone who needs it, and let me know in the comments what type of app you want me to build in next video using Google AI Studio. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.